better and bark like you wanted. Child, when I had so orange chestnut with that challenge. Bark like you wanted, baby.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. In this video today, I actually realized I did not record an intro. So here I am doing a little voiceover. This is actually the second to last wig in my Pride wig series that I'm reviewing. So stick around, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, give it a thumbs up if you like what you see, and I'll go about giving you all her sneaky deaky details at the end of this video. So right now I'm just gonna fast forward everything, and yeah, you can watch me put her all the way together. All right folks, let's go. so I wasn't too sure where I was going with this video because I like her, but I don't know if I like her. Let me just go ahead and give you her stock card information. It's from Outre. Her name is Katiana. She's from the Melted Hairline collection. And I got her in the color 613. Card reads as so. Soft HD lace, 5-inch departing space, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. Pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, and she's designed comfort fit ear contour. Now my girl probably goes up to 400. This is what Miss Thing is looking like on the stock card. The inside of a card has the different colors like the 1B red and then the Havana brown that's in the front. Now that 1B looks nice, but she comes in different colors like creamy mocha, ginger brown, chocolate swirl, champagne fuzz, DRF golden amber, and the DRF red velvet. Now, of course, I chose this color because of the Pride Wig series that I'm doing. And I like her, but I don't know. I don't know. First of all, Miss Thing does have the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable elastic band, as well as the strap. She is big head friendly. She melted. Baby, what lace? Okay, I know I'm not tripping. Maybe I need to add a little bit more makeup here because of that band. But baby, what lace? Okay? She melted really nice. Her texture is a yucky, thick. She's a thick one. My girl is a thick one. She's 13. So the lighter your wigs are, usually the more that they tangle and then the more that they shed. Now, the only problem I think I have with her, honestly, I don't know if I really like this color. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel like my face needs to be beat more. I feel like she won't be like an everyday wig, of course. The fact that she sheds so much is annoying. I don't know. She does definitely come ear to ear. She's lifting up over here. But she does definitely come ear to ear. And you can do the baby hairs if you want to, but you don't have enough room to do all that. I tried to pluck as best as I could, but the tracks start like right over here. And again, she's only 5-inch deep parting space. So there's no versatility to her. Now, if I could flip her and dip her and do all that other stuff, maybe. But this is the style. And I don't know if I like it. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments below what you think of her. For me, she's okay. If I had to rate her, I think I would give her a 7.5. But she's cute. She's giving. They do say blondes have all the fun, but I don't know. I don't feel like we're gonna have fun in her. I don't know. Other than that, I think she's cute for her price. I paid under $40 for her. 1B, oh my God, I would be in love. Okay, in a Havana brown, I'd be in love. Okay, folks. If you happen to like what you see in this video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Just so that you can see, I think I have one more wig left to this Pride Wig collection, which is all blue. Just so you can see the next video I'm about to post. Folks, thank you for watching. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.